Leo. So, good evening to all district officers, distinguished Lion members, and fellow Leos. It is my immense gratitude and humility that I stand before you today, honored to accept the responsibility as your ASMEP's family Leo President for Lion Year 2024-2025. This moment marks not as a personal achievement, but a collective commitment to serve with compassion and service to the community. As I look back on our achievements under the leadership of my predecessors, Leo C. Racing and Leo Jenta de Guzman, and President Kim de los Reyes, I am inspired by the profound impact we have made in the lives of others. Our dedication to humanitarian service has transcended boundaries, bringing hope and transforming communities nationwide. Yet, there is much more to be done. In the coming year, we may face both familiar challenges and new opportunities, but together, we will continue to innovate, adapt, and lead with purpose. We will expand our reach, our voices, and advocate passionately for those who need us most. To the members of ASMEP's family, Leo Club, I extend my deepest appreciation for your unwavering dedication and tireless efforts. Your passion fuels our mission and drives our impact. Together, we will write the next chapter of our legacy, leaving a footprint of compassion and hope for generations to come. As we embark on this journey, let us remember the words of a famous psychologist, Carl Jung. He said, "He who looks outside dreams, but he who looks inside awakens." Let us awaken our potential, unite in purpose, and strive for a year of growth, impact, and solidarity. Together, we can make a profound difference in our communities and beyond. I look forward to serving alongside each other and every one of you in the year ahead. Thank you so much, Leos. We serve. Leos, thank you so much.